What is Eco-Sexy?
Eco-Sexy is all about really carnival and tropical colours and feathers and flowers and just having like a really good time.
All right, nice one. So, as the coach of the group, can you tell me about your outfit?
My outfit, I've got like a feather skirt on and a corset made of flowers and lots of different colours, and we just wanted to make our thing really loud and exotic. Yeah, very exotic.
So can somebody tell me about the mask that you guys are wearing? Especially back girl back there. Tell me about the idea behind the mask.
Like birds. Like birds? Isn't it like birds?
I don't know.
Like this. Just yeah, like feathers and...
The things across your eyes.
Yeah, it's just like we all had
to represent like birds and...
Peacock. We had different allocated colours each. We were sort of divided up into different colours, and we sort of tried to go with that with each person and have a green and a purple and a blue, so that it would all look kind of a shade of like rainbow colours almost, that is a little bit more exotic as well. Yeah, it's very tropical, lake up there.
Yes, it is, very much. So tell me, what did you feel about the show? How did it went for you?
Nerve-wracking.
It was nerve-wracking.
It was no what?
Nerve-wracking. But I don't think nobody made any mistakes, so we were pleased with it, I think.
Went really fast as well.
Right, so tell me about some of the inspirations from the outfits that you guys are wearing. Anybody could talk, like I said, just because she's wearing a microphone.
It's like Alexander McQueen and...
Some of your inspirations, yeah?
A lot of Alexander McQueen. We looked at animals and a lot of floral and lots of different colours really. A lot of the colour was the input to this trend. But also, like I said, animal print and animal features in general. That was a really big main part of it.
Okay, yeah. Right.
Warrior Queen.
And with a River Island.
Something like that.
Not exactly. More historical than that.
You got a sense of medieval style, like I see.
Definitely. That's what we wanted to go for within the outfit. Something like the headpiece is meant to look like that, but it's meant to be translatable into something that you could possibly see on a catwalk or even buy in a shop.
Right, so as one of the designers, can you tell me your inspiration for this particular outfit? And show it off, please. Show it off. Yeah.
We wanted the outfit to be very striking, which is why we chose the colours black and gold. But we also we looked at the two elements of Warrior Queen. One of warrior, so that's a strong figure, and of queen, which is a female figure, which is why we made it in a soft fabric like organza, which it's not a stiff fabric, it's soft and it's feminine as well. So that's how we wanted to create this kind of juxtaposition between the two elements of the trend.
Right. I like it. Everybody got a little kind of headband thing going on and all of that. Anybody want to talk about any of these styles and inspirations that we see here?
Well, the headbands are just for the retailers. They're like to distinguish us from like the trend,
right,
to make the difference. And the trend people all went for really over-the-top makeup and hairstyles, and whereas we just went for something you'd wear on like a night out.
Right. So, I mean, like, how do you feel about the show? How do you feel it went for you? Why okay? Just okay.
It was good. It was fun. It was good. It was really fun to do, and we worked very hard on choreographing everything, and we think it went pretty smoothly. So we're pleased with it.
Who did the choreography?
We
choreographed it all together.
Right. Well, thank you very much, ladies, for talking to us. Warrior Queen. All right.
It's basically just a floral trend, but kind of in its current form.
Right.
But it's a lot more bold and exciting than ever before, because obviously floral is there sort of once a year really in the trends, but it's a lot more fresh, exciting, and very empowering for women as well, and also for Alex as well.
Okay, so why don't you, Coach, tell me about the outfit, or the designers want to talk about it?
We started by looking at sort of mood boards and trend boards of florals and flowers and patterns and things, and we were really inspired by the flower Bird of Paradise and those colours, which we really wanted to use because we thought it was quite striking and would stand out. So we developed that into sort of purples and using sort of oranges and golds which is the colour of the flower, as the dress, and wanted to make it, because it was 3 of us working on the one outfit, we wanted to make it quite big impact and really striking. So we
What kind of flowers are those?
roses. They look like flowers. It's made out of some different materials, so it's a different thing. And then the back as well, we wanted to be still just as strong as the front of it, so there's a lot of detail in the back as well, which took quite a long time because there were 3 of us working in the one dress. We were able to devote that time and.
I like the hood there. What's that about? Is that
Yeah.
like oversleep?
And it was just sort of like, because the florals every spring can be sort of quite soft and elegant and feminine, but this season we've been looking at really structured, powerful things. So we wanted to make it a different shape and something quite unusual. So it's quite tricky to do, but it worked in the end, thankfully.
So does anybody want to tell me about the choreography of your show tonight, or how you worked on that? Working together.
Vicky was amazing
Her out,
choreography.
We tried to make it really structured with music, just to sort of contrast with the florals and the pretty kind of patterns, that kind of thing. So it was very structured and very sort of like harsh movements, strong, bold. We just tried to keep it very in time, really, and said structure.
So can we talk to the guy here, you know? The Lone Ranger and everything like that. And I know there was another guy in another group, but are you one of the students, or you just brought along just to eat furniture?
Yeah, I'm just brought along.
Yeah, no, are you a student or you just...
Yeah.
Yeah. Nervous are you?
No.
Work on your outfit, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good thing. Okay, so Jill, since you gave us your name and everything, I mean, that's an interesting design on your face with the gold leaf. I mean, did you do that in some particular way?
No, just hairspray and gold leaf, basically, yeah.
Hairspray, right?
Yeah, it's really itchy.
Yeah, I know you just want
Yeah.
and on everybody else's faces too.
Yeah. Can't wait to get it off.
Yeah, it sounds great.
And you want to give us a product on that one? Was that some gold leaf hairspray or something?
It was gold.
No, it's gold leaf and hairspray, so it's just stuck on.
I just guessed, not like I know. Yeah. So how do you feel about tonight's show?
Yeah, it was good.
Good for you, yeah?